How are you? Fine na? I'm also fine. Okay, did you complete your assignments? Yes or no? If yes, then it's very good. If no, then complete it as soon as possible. Okay? This video is for class 6 maths, chapter 1, knowing our numbers. In this chapter, we will study about place value, Indian and international place value system and estimation. So, let's go through the video. Starting the session, let us look at these tables. What are they representing? Well, the first table is of Indian place value system and the second table is of international place value system. As clear from the headings, if we observe in both the tables, then we find few similarities between them. The first is they both divide the whole numbers. They both divide the whole numbers into groups where each group is known as periods. These periods. And the second similarity is the periods have commas. Commas between them to mark their separation. Looking about the differences, we can see the name of the periods, places, values and the position of commas are different in both. Here we have 3 commas and here we have only 2 commas. In Indian place value system, we have ones period in 3 places, namely ones, tens and hundreds. In thousands periods, we have 2 places, namely thousands and 10,000s. And in lakhs periods, we again have 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And finally, in crores period, we have 2 places, namely crores and 10 crores. And while in international place value system, we have ones period with 3 places, namely ones, tens, 100. In thousands period, we have 3 places, thousands, 10,000 and 100,000. And finally, in millions period, we have 3 places, namely millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Normally, in Indian place value system is followed in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, while international place value system is commonly used in the Western countries. One more difference, the placement of commas in these tables in international place value system, as we have periods with 3-digit splits, like this 3-digit splits in number, we will put commas during the periods, okay, like this period and this period. Accordingly, in Indian place value system, as we have periods, initial 3-digit split followed by 2-digit splits, 3-digit, okay, 3-digit followed by 2-digit splits, like this. So we will put commas between the periods. Here also periods, again accordingly to this arrangements. Now you have understood the differences and similarities between these two place value systems. From the above comparison, we observe that 1 lakh of Indian place value system is equals to 100,000. Here 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. Okay. Now next one, 10 lakh is equals to 1 million and 1 crore is equals to 10 millions. Okay. Now it is clear. You can try finding more such values on your own now. Now, after place value system, we will go through the estimating of sum and differences. Let's begin with this question here. Why do we round? Yes, children, why do we round? Well, in life, in many reasons, we round off the numbers. but in this case we are going to round numbers because it makes our life easier when we add or subtract. Let's have a look in this addition here. I am sure you can solve it because you are already aware of this, but let's have a look what happens if we add to the nearest 100. If we add to the nearest 100, what will happen? So let's go through this. So 376 is rounded to nearest 100 will be what? 400? Yes, 400. And then 798 round to its nearest 100 will be what number? 800? Yes. So which addition do you think looks easier to solve? Again, I know you can solve the first one also, but addition number 2 is simpler. Yes, addition number 2 is simpler. You will able to solve this faster. Let's have a look on another example like this. We have the subtraction here. Of course, you can solve easily, but let's have a look what happens when it round to the nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. Okay, nearest to 1000. Then what is the number? 5763 rounded to the nearest 1000 will be, yes, 6000. And next 2419 rounded to the nearest 1000 is, yes, 2000. Yes. So which subtraction do you think looks easier to solve? The second one, right? Because it has so many zeros. So you will be able to faster. Estimation of sum and differences are some key points. These have some key points. What are the key points? 1, 2, 3, 4 is always rounded down. Means the number like this here, nearest 100. We have to count it on a nearest 100. So 376 means 376. We have to round up to nearest 100. So we have to follow the number of right side of a 100 digit, means 7. It is greater than 5. So greater than 5 means round up. Here key term is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is always rounded up. Means here when the number is having 7 or greater than 5, whatever number like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, starting from 5 na, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number having 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is always round up. And if the number having 1, 2, 3, 4 is always round down. Rounded down means like here you can see this 2419. Here we have to round it off to nearest 1000. So we have to follow the right hand side of the digit of thousands place, which is 4. Okay, 4 is smaller than 5 or greater than 5? Smaller than 5 na. So we have to round down. So here we are going to here round down to the number 2419, round down to 2000. So this is, that's why we are writing here 2000. So this is the key terms. This is the key terms actually. 1, 2, 3, 4 is always rounded down and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is always rounded up. Okay.